Hi everyone. In today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, if the area of this equilateral triangle is square root of 3 centimeters square and the side of this triangle is x minus 10, how to calculate the value of x? How can we solve this? Let this is the height of this equilateral triangle. Let this is h, and let we denote this by a. Then we can write area equal to half multiplied by E multiplied by H. But how can we calculate H? Let this is equation 1. Now this length will be also A, and from here to here this length will be equal to A by 2. By Pythagoras theorem we can write H square equal to A square minus A by 2 whole square. If we simplify this, we can write H square equal to A square minus A square divided by 4. H square equal to, we will take A square common, and 1 minus 1 over 4, and H square equal to A square into 3 by 4. And from here we can write H equal to A into square root of 3 divided by 2. Now let this is equation 2. Now A is equal to half multiplied by A and H. We will put values here. The area is square root of 3. Half into A. A is x minus 10 and H is A into square root of 3 by 2. So again x minus 10 into square root of 3 by 2. Now this square root of 3 is cancelled with this square root of 3, and we can write x minus 10 whole square divided by 4 equal to 1, and from here we can write x minus 10 whole square equal to 4 and x minus 10 equal to plus minus 2 by taking the square root. Now if x minus 10 equal to minus 2, then x equal to minus 8, which is not possible. Next, x minus 10 is equal to plus 2. So from here we get x equal to 12. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.